All right, everybody. My name's Lynn, and I just wanted to go over one of the tips for altar servers. I get a lot of questions about how to replace this wax tip in here, especially when it runs out. And so I just want to go over the steps for that. A lot of times you can notice here that when it's all the way up here, this peg, that means you need to, there's no way you can light all the altar server candle or the altar candles. The wick will run out. And sometimes you'll find it all the way up here and it's stuck and the wick has run out. So I'm going to show you how to replace this. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is how do you replace it if it's all the way down here. Now if it's stuck, if it's seized up, you can't, and you don't even see the wick anymore and it's frozen down here, you can just heat it up with a candle like this, and over a matter of time, it should only take a few seconds, it should free it up quite a bit. So go ahead and heat it first if you need to. But if it's just doing a quick replacement, like, hey, I know it's out, you just push it up. Sometimes this peg is real hard. Try to do it over here so you don't make too much of a mess. But if this peg's real hard, you can just put a towel and push it right up like that. And then you just got, it's almost like threading a needle here. You can see the old, you just get the old one out, and there it is. You know, you just got your, you're just going to like, it's almost like threading a fish hook or a needle. This is the wax replacement here. You can find these here in the sacristy, over here in this cabinet. You'll find them up top here, but they're also in the altar server table back there as well. So you can find those. What you got to do real quick is, like a bottom couple inch and a half, break that wax free like that, just with your fingers. And once you feel that freeness, kind of, you can just put it right in here. And this will put me on the spot here. We'll see if I can do it. It may take a little bit of wiggling, but you can get it in there pretty easily. It's just like threading a, like I said, like threading a needle or something. And once you get that through, you just kind of hold it up like that and pull it right through, and bam, you've replaced it. That's all there is to it. And so I get a lot of questions about that. I just wanted to put out a quick video to show folks how to do that. Like I said, everything you need here. I'm going to clean up my mess after I'm done here, but always try, if it's stuck up here, just use that flame to free it up. And if that peg, that's your warning signal. When the peg's all the way up here, just thinking, hey, I need to replace this soon. And that's it. Just want to put out that tip. Thanks for all you do, and God bless.